Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you the application that I have created using Node.js and SQLite. Node.js has now native support for SQLite database since version at 22. So if you have installed version 22, then it will work in your case. Because the minimum requirement is that you must have installed Node version 22. If you have higher version, then okay, it will definitely work then. So let me show you my files. Here is app.js file as usual, and this is db.js file and nodes.js file. Here I have imported SQLite from node colon SQLite, and I am using it as in-memory database. And if you pass it a file path like this, it will create a database right inside your current working directory. So the difference between both of these is if you are using it as in-memory database, you will lose all your data when you restart your application. But if you if you pass it a file path like this, so your data will be inserted, collected in a file, and it will be persistent. So let me open Postman and create some notes. So here you can see I have already added title and content, and just so it has created one node. Let's create one more, two and three. I have several endpoints, so this is updates endpoint. You can update it. So let me fetch all the nodes. You can see I have four. I have created four nodes, so I have four. But if I close my application, I will lose all my data. So let's see. Again, I have restarted, and let me fetch the nodes again. And you see, it is empty now. So this is the disadvantage of using in-memory database. So let me comment this and uncomment this file waste. Let me restart my application. Now if I try to create nodes, see nodes 1, nodes 2, and nodes 3. Let me create one more, nodes 4. So let me fetch it. You see, we have 4 nodes, and now if I close my application and restart it, the data will be persisted. You see, this time I have not lost any data. See, since this time all the data is coming. Yeah.